Hey Stampers, Gainer again. I've been having a play with that beautiful set and it's called Beautiful Blizzard. Absolutely beautiful. Look at all these gorgeous swirls and flourishes and oh, just gorgeous. So I'm going to change up the colour scheme. I've done this one in Balmy Blue and Night of Navy. It's gorgeous. It's just that I want to swap up the colours. So here's my card. Oh my word, look, I've even added a bit of glitzer spray on there. I did not do it over the sentiment, but you can just see it here. And I found this in my stash. I've had dies. I went to a craft fair, just after I joined Stampin' Up in the December. I joined in the February, went up to a craft fair in the December, and look what I bought. This was ages ago, and I've just found it today, along with, where's my other two? These are still connected. These two snowflakes as well. I think this was about £1.50, and this was about £1, I think, maybe £1.50 as well. I can't remember. But look at the detail in that. Just gorgeous. And believe it or not, I've just cut it out of normal thin cardstock. And look at the impression. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely gorgeous. So I didn't buy the die set with this. Apparently it's just one die and it imprints and cuts out lots of snowflakes. So I thought I'd have a go with my own dies. Aren't they just the cutest? Look at the little love hearts in there. Oh, I watched a lady, in fact I was so engulfed with this set, she kept them like this and she built a card with tons of them connected and just did art. It was absolutely amazing. But that, I'm going back 2 years now, but yeah, just look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I love it. And those two, you can cut them apart, but no need. So I thought I'd have a play. I love this card, how it's turned out. Look at the balmy blue in the background. That was stamped off once, and certain other areas here, right down here, you can't see it, but that was stamped off twice. This is my scratch paper already because it were mucky on one side, so I've turned it over. So I'm going to make it mucky on the other side as well. I haven't stamped anything in the centre, but we will on the card that I'm going to show you now. And I'm swapping it up for Highland Heather and Gorgeous Grape. Oh my gosh, I love purple on Christmas cards. I think they're just absolutely stunning. So I'm going to be using those as well. I just can't stop looking at it. It's just so beautiful. And I added my little baker's twine bow. I tied 4 lots of string together and just made a little bow on the bow machine, as you do. So my card pieces. Oops, there goes my tea ruler. Let me pick it up. There we go. We're going to need that later. So I'm using a really strong £300 white cardstock. Got a bit of a fingerprint on there. Your mucky pup again. And I've scored, this is 8 1/4 by 5 7/8, and I've scored it at 4 1/8. So I'm just going to fold and burnish our card. And I've got the Gorgeous Grape. Oh, I love this colour. And I love the Highland Heather. And this is 3 7/8 by 5 5/8. And the Whisper White then, which is the Whisper White. I love Whisper White to stamp on. This is an 1/8 of an inch shorter at 3 5/8 by 5 3/8. And then you're going to need a little piece for your sentiment to be embossed on. That's where the tea ruler comes in, because I can't line up. And this is 7/8 by 2 7/8, and it fits that sentiment perfectly. So I'm going to pop these to one side, just while we have a bit of a play with our flourishes. Oh, I love it. So I'm going to stamp off a couple of times till I get the Gorgeous Grape just how I want it. Not the Gorgeous Grape, the Highland Heather. this is the Highland Heather. Oh, just beautiful. They're very similar in colour, but I'm going to start off with my big flourish. Oh, I love it. I've just dropped something on the floor. I'm going to keep that one that side actually, because knowing my luck, I'll dunk and it'll be the wrong one. Even though I'm going to stamp off. Beautiful. Oh, it's just beautiful. And I'm going to see how many times I need to. Oh, maybe once. Oh, it's lovely. So subtle. And it looks like a flourish. You know when this wind blows the snow up. Oh, it's beautiful. So yeah, I'm going to go back over. I like that. Nice, very nice. So I'm just going to turn this. And they've got a smaller one as well, you know, for filling in the patches. And I've turned it back. I just did 3 of those. I'm going to get my little cleany cloth, as you do. I'm just going to give these a wipe over. And they clean up a treat, a right treat. So my cleany cloth is out. And I'm coming in with this small one now. Oh, look how cute that one is. And this I'm going to stamp off, and then on. Look, isn't it beautiful? Oh, I love it. Absolutely love it. Somebody just sent me a message before I clicked on air. On air. Oh gosh, anyone think I was flipping in the radio business or something? And asked if I could do the little tea light box that was sent to me by the gorgeous Leonora. I'm just filling gaps in now with pale. Yes, I'll have a go. It's not my idea, obviously, but I will certainly have a go at making one for you. I do have some tea lights here somewhere. No, we've always got them in. My husband and his candles. Oh gosh, he loves them, bless him. There's my squeaky clean. I'm going to pop these over here with my stamp set out the way. And I've finished with this now. It was just mainly for the background. The rest is all going to come from that gorgeous grape. So, I started with, it looks like glass, not glass, you know when ice is scratched. But with this one, oh look at that, I've got it all around the edges. Let me just get rid of that. Ugh. Ew, mucky. Mucky. That's the only problem with the red rubber stamps. You can get it all around the rim. So, it's my fault. I'm a heavy-handed stamper. I don't mean to be. So I'm just stamping off. I don't want it too in your face, this one. I've just sat here and had fun, basically. Oh, it sounds like someone's setting fireworks off. They are. Oh, blimey, they're starting early. I'm only going to put them on 5. I think that's plenty. Because we've got so much going on with this, you don't need to overdo it, as I tend to do sometimes. Right, we've got these beautiful swirl as well here. It's just gorgeous. Let me just show you. But it's a very thin line. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely gorgeous. So I'm just looking at my card. I can barely see it on my card. I'm going to try and keep it obvious, because I'm adding snowflakes as well. Oh, and that's so pretty. It's just gorgeous. I love it. And I'm going to pop another one right there. Thinks I need another one, so I'm going to come off the end. That is it. Oh, isn't it beautiful? You're not going to see the centre there. You're going to have a label there. You're going to have snowflakes here. So this time I made sure I planted them like a kisser where I wanted them. So, and now you've got these beautiful dots. Even my worksheet looks lovely. Look, you've got to be careful with that. I'm heavy-handed. Just beautiful. Love this. Oh my gosh, I'm deep thought concentration here. Wondering where I'm going to put my dots. That's it. Whoops, it's just come off my stamp block. Oh, blessed. While I was cleaning it. Perfect. And now we've got this cluster of gorgeous snowflakes. Oh gosh, look, I've got it all the way around the side, but as long as I don't press and wobble, it's when you wobble that you get that line. So, where are we going to pop these? I'm looking. Oh, beautiful. Isn't that just gorgeous? I'm going to have a couple coming off the edge. I'm even having some overlapping. I'm just looking. I think that looks quite beautiful, just as it is. So let's get this purple off my stamp. I like cleaning up as we're going along. It's that OCD in me. Do you know, I'm on the phone. If I'm ever on the phone, I'm like my husband, I pace back and forth against the kitchen units, and while I'm doing it, I'm cleaning at the same time. Polish my taps. That is ink I squirt, because you can't seem to squeeze these. They don't want to go in the lid. So make sure they click into place as well. I'm going to heat set now. If I just pull that up now, that is absolutely gorgeous. I love this set. I am going to remove this scratch paper. No, best not, had I? It's not wet. Oh, she says. No, it's not wet. So, it's just divine, that is. I'm loving that. Anyway, it's just gorgeous. I love all that. It's beautiful. So, I'm going to fetch in my... I'm scouring the area. Where's it gone? Where's it gone? Oh, there it is. It's hiding. My embossing buddy. And my little piece. And I'm just going to gently deactivate its static. Oops, there's my snowflakes. Fetch my Versamark in. I do have my heat gun plugged in ready. This is so juicy. And I can judge this now at the very bottom. Perfect. Look at that. And because of the background, you can see it. It's just gorgeous. Gorgeous. If Leonora, if you're watching, my darling, if you can give me the measurements to that little box with the tea lights, that'd be perfect. I would be more than happy to make a video to show others how it was made. If you don't mind, that is. Thank you, my lovely. There's my embossing buddy. It's ready to go away. And I'm Coming in with the silver. Oh, I nearly dropped it all over the floor. The lid's open. Oh, crikey. There's 3 pots in there. I would have lost it all because there's no way I'd have got it back up. I think there's 3 or 4 in there actually. I used to buy one every time I sent in an order until I thought I'd got enough. It's not like you can't have enough of this stuff. Oh, beautiful. I should get those boxes with the little clips on the side and a spoon in there. Right, tweezers, because I'm not going to be touching that with the heat that's going on. So, I'm sorry about the loudness, but a job can't be done without heat. So I'm just going to warm this through. There you go, see it change? And it's that quick. How quick was that? Look at that, absolutely beautiful. Look, I smudged it with my finger. Should I do it again? Oh my gosh, what do you reckon? Should we turn it over and do it again? Oh, look, that's warped that page. Oh gosh, I do want it perfect, so yeah, we've got plenty of space. I got plenty of time. Do want a decent. There we go. Right, little pot. Come back, little pot, big pot, should I say? And I'm even going to use my tweezers. There we go. It's not. I'm not being stingy, but it was all just. It would have heat set all over the tool otherwise. The tweezers. Because it's nice and hot, it won't take a second at all. And I'm gonna. I do want it good. I do want it to come out lovely. So. There you go. It's going already. Wow, that like took seconds. That's better. Look at that. I know that was cute, but yeah, I'd smudged it there and something was going on there, and no, I wasn't happy with that. I love the font on it though, but now look, absolutely gorgeous. If a hug were a snowflake, I'd send you a blizzard. Oh, beautiful. So I'm gonna have to glue over my my mistake. We've got 2 sides to a piece of card always. And if a job's worth doing, it really is worth doing well. So, oh, I'm going to have to be quick. I'm going to grab my spritzer. Oh no. Oh, shave it. I'm going to leave that there. Don't matter. I'll apply more glue later. I just want to fetch in my silicone mat. That will dry in a minute, but it won't deter me from. I've got to add glue to the back of these. So I'm using this Cosmic Shimmer. It's brilliant. You can smudge it in with your fingers and it doesn't matter. Oh, blimey. I'll show you what I did. Do apologise about that. Move it out the way. And then I just smudged it with my finger. But I needed to get it everywhere. So when I stick it down, it sticks down properly. And then I take it to my project. And I'm going to pop that. I don't mind that it hangs over a little bit there. With the Cosmic Shimmer, when it dries and it doesn't dry tacky. Whereas Tombow will, I believe. So I'm just going to squirt some on there. Making sure I get a bit on every little edge. And this one is going right about there. And if I don't have enough, I can just peel it back up. And dab it some more. Perfect. Right, let's be quick with this because it dries pretty quick, this does. And I mean pretty quick. But it peels off your fingers great. Look, it peels off your fingers like... Did you ever used to do that in school? We used to. Let the glue dry on your fingers, then peel it off and say, I'm peeling. The things you do as a kid. Oh, God bless. Oh, I used to have a laugh. Oh, bless. Oops. There's a little tiny bit on there. But that is... No, it's not tacky anymore. It's dried fast. It's dried clear. And it's dried without stickiness. Perfect. Isn't that cute? So... See what I mean? It's dry and low. It's dry, that is. Just dried. Right, now I'm going to spritz. I might as well just put the... Should I spritz over the sentiment as well? I'm going to pop this one down here. Because I don't want to take anything away from those snowflakes. Or should I? Go over them? What do you reckon? That looks pretty straight as well. But that's not going to stay on there, look. I need just a little bit more glue. But it's good stuff, really good stuff, this. Right, let's get that lined up. I've got an upside down tea ruler, by the way. Look. So that's to fit flush against my card. Lift it up anyway. My number's there, 1, 2, 3. It's back to front. Absolutely back to front. So that is right up close. And it also looks as if it's I had it from China. What you expect? See, now that's supposed to be straight. It doesn't look straight to me. Oh, Gainer, come on. Right, quickly. I did it by eyeballed it last time. Oh, it's not far off. Oh, it's got to be straight now. It must be straight. I've done it. But yeah, look. This is... I've been turning it around this way. That means my inches are upside down and going that way. So... If I turn it over, then they're back to front. So, cheap is not always the best. It's great for centimetres. That's the right way for centimetres. It's just the wrong way for inches. Because that, you're supposed to press down and butt your card up against it close. There you go. Oh well, I got an upside down tea ruler. Isn't that beautiful? Love that. So let's get our lid on our glue. get it on your fingers though, it comes off so easy. Got my little spritzer. Oh, do you like my voice then? Oh, can I have a swig of me coffee? Me cold coffee. So I'm just going to pick that up and protect. And I'm going to shake like mad. I'm going to spritz my work. I'm loving this. Absolutely loving it. And I'm not going to touch. It will warp it a little bit, but it dries in no time. Because I've added hairspray, that will be dry in a few seconds. Look at it on there. Look at the shimmer on there. Look. You can see where the card has been. Oh, beautiful. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, love it. Right, my card bases. Oh, I know what I've got to do as well. Now we're going to stamp on the inside just while that gives that a little dry time. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely stunning. So I'm going to grab back my Highland Heather. I'm going to keep it pale on the inside. And I'm just going to do the small flurry. No right, no wrong. And I'm just keeping it down this side. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back in with those beautiful snowflakes. And you could do this on the envelope, it's entirely up to you. There we go, that's all I'm going to do with the inside. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, it's going to be another one of my new favourites. Oh, tree, they fetched. I do only order now the things that really pleasure me. And in the way of, I will use it this year, I'll use it next year, I'll use it the year after, I'll keep using it. So they give me so much joy to use each year, so I will buy them. I'm not certainly, I like stuff in the catalogue, well, it's okay. I'm not impressed with this year's catalogue, but she's good really because it saved me a fortune. Because normally I go out and buy everything and then they retire it 12 weeks later, and that really is a bit naughty sometimes. Because you don't retire yours when you buy yours, but I'm a hobby demonstrator, so I don't even retire mine anymore. There's a few I might not use in the future, which I will quite happily sell cheap. Recoup some of my money back for the next order. But no, I love mine. Love, 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 love. Just sticking this on the outside. Making sure we got that nice square on. Love it. All the time giving that chance. Isn't that beautiful? It's just stunning. I love it. And a bit more tear and tape on here. Mind you, saying that with the tea light box, I could just measure it and get the measurements that way. I will do that. I'll get on it, as they say. Right. I'm going to finish off with that gorgeous little white baker's twine bow. Whoops. That is just gorgeous. I like both of them. I absolutely love the two of them. Oh, look straight to me. Oh, Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Now I've got a little row of gems here. And just placing them. Oh, I might just be able to, oh, that didn't have a backing on. No, I didn't think it did. Let me get my normal ones. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. You have to tell me which is your favourite, or if you like them both just as much as I do. So I'm just going to squeeze that on there, and I'm popping one in each corner here. I love it. Absolutely love that. I tell you what, I'm going to remove that one because it is hidden. I'm going to pop it on that one. So I've got them scattered. Right, now, biggest twine. My trusty little... Oh, now is that going to be long enough? I'm going to use the thick. That was off an old roll I had earlier. So I'm just going to cut plenty off this. So I'm going to double it over and snip and double it over again and snip, and then we're going to tie a gorgeous little cute bow on here. Oh, that's just the right amount actually. Lovely. Because by the time I cut off the tails and get them straight, it'll be just perfect. Make sure you got it in the centre before you pull it tight. Whoops, oh gosh. No strength in this hand. Oh, I'm going to have to take a visit to the doctors. I hate that. Hubby would have won then. He was like forever telling me, go to the doctors, go to the doctors. And I don't want to. So I'm just going to see which is best. This way, I think. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. I'm just going to attach a glue dot and we'll cut the tails off last. Oh, I'm going to fetch it up to it. I hate all that paper where you've got to unwind it. So I always pulls them off so there's only one on the piece of paper, or as many as I need. There we go. That is uber cute. And I'm just going to stick that right there. And now I can trim these off. I'm going to leave them quite long actually. And they're straight and all the same length. Not much waste there really. Oh my word, I might have to just trim a bit more. There we go. Oh, love that. Absolutely love it. I'm loving the sparkle that's on there. Oh my word, I hope you like this as much as I do. It's absolutely stunning. Oh, thank you for coming over to my channel again today. You are so beautiful, all of you, for being so kind and staying absolutely faithful to me and coming back time and time again. I truly, truly appreciate it. I love it. Thank you. I'm sure I need a new light on this side, I think, because I don't know what's happening with this. I think I meant to move my lamp, maybe. Shining over here, but it's leaving me a shadow over here. But right, come on, which one do you like the best? Let's have a... I love this. Oh my god, I love them both. Absolutely beautiful. So I'd love a thumbs up and a share. That would be amazing. And please, if you haven't subscribed already, please do. I do tend to post a video every single day. Even when I go on holiday, there'll be some there to keep you entertained while I'm away as well. Yeah, which I haven't been away for 2 years, so... Oh, I best get going. Yeah, bye. I'm off on my holidays. No, I wish. Next year, maybe. But I'll make sure there's always one on for you every single night to watch. Even if I have to do them now, put them in my private list, and then just release some every single night so you don't have to go without me. Oh, bless you all. I'm going to say goodnight now. Love you all. Bye.